Hello! Hi everyone! Yeah, they're just perfect. Having snow white cookies with a cup of hot tea. It'll crunchy or melt in your mouth. Oh my god, they're both my favorite. So, let's make snow white cookies. In the food processor, we're going to grind the cashew. Well, you can use your favorite one, could be walnut, hazelnut, or whatever you prefer, until it reaches fine texture like this. Next, on the medium speed, fill it with a paddle attachment. We're gonna beat the butter until creamy. Then slowly add powdered sugar and give a little mix. That's the tips. So when we start to beat later on, it won't explode too much. It always happens. So we're gonna beat them until the color turns pale and more creamier. Now we're going to add in flour, vanilla extract, then the ground cashew on the low speed. Mix everything just until they come together. It looks a little bit rough and crumbly, but it's okay. Once you can shape the dough like this, it means it's ready. Now we're going to shape the dough. How about the crescent shape? Will do. So, transfer the dough into your kitchen counter, flatten them with your hand, then roll with a rolling pin, just so we can decide how thick the cookies that we're going to make. I'm going to make two versions, thin cookies which make them more crunchier, and a little bit thicker around 1.5 centimeter so I can get a tender, crumbly, and melt in the mouth texture. So the question is, how to shape the dough into a crescent shape by using your hands. So just cut the dough into half like this, and then give a little bit pinch or shape in the middle of the dough until it looks like a crescent shape. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, second batch is going to the oven. And the thicker version is ready to go to the oven. Wait until the cookies slightly warm to touch, and we're ready to toss and coat them in powdered sugar. And ta-da! Finally, our crescent-shaped snow white cookies are ready! More sugar please! Hi! Depend on where you are. Some people call these snow white cookies Mexican wedding cookies, vanilla snowballs, Russian tea cakes, and many more. These cookies are perfect to celebrate New Year, Christmas, wedding, and Eid Mubarak, like today! Let's give a try. Yummy! Crunch and melt, crunch and melt. Give me more! These cookies are so delicious, they won't last long unless you hide them. Look at this. Which one you like, guys? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and comment my video, and also don't forget to turn on your notification button to be notified for more my videos. So, Eid Mubarak and see you next time. Bye!